Today, as part of our Mars Week celebrations, we're going to show you how to make MarsMallows. These sweet snacks are egg and dairy free, so should be suitable for all. You will need 240 millilitres of water divided into two 120 millilitre portions, 14 grams of gelatin powder, 420 grams of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, icing sugar to dust the pan, and red food colouring. Sprinkle the gelatin on top of 120 millilitres of the cold water and stir lightly with a fork. Leave it for 5 minutes and it will become very thick. Meanwhile, heat the sugar and the remaining water in a medium-sized saucepan until the sugar is dissolved. Add the dissolved gelatin. Bring the mixture to a full rolling boil. This is the only dangerous part of the process, so please make sure no small hands are around and that the mixture is attended at all times. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool. This will take about 20 to 25 minutes. Once cooled, add the vanilla and salt and pour into the bowl of a mixer. Beat with a stand mixer using a whisk attachment on high speed until thick and tripled in volume. This should take about 7 to 8 minutes. You will need to prepare a pan to put your marshmallow in to cool, so lightly oil a baking dish and line with parchment paper. Oil the paper on the inside and dust with icing sugar. When the marshmallow mixture has finished whipping, add your red food colour and very gently fold in to create swirls of colour. Now scrape your mixture into the prepared pan and use a wet spatula to smooth the top. Place in a fridge overnight to fully set. Cut into squares with a knife dipped in water between each cut. As you can see, mine are far too soft at this stage, but by morning they were firm and much easier to cut. We hope you enjoy making our MarsMallows and our family movie night. Please do share pictures of any of your makes with us on our social media pages.